Hey guys, this is my WeBoost. This is the OTR outreach, and it pretty much is a cell phone signal booster. So it just helps pretty much boost your signal wherever you are. If you have no service on your phone, then it won't do anything. So you just have to have that little signal on your phone to get that extra boost. So right now what you're looking at is the attachment that I have on my retracts, and it's pretty much a mount that goes about 180 degrees. I typically leave it at 45 just so that it's not causing a draft with the wind. Or when I do use it, I do have it at a 90-degree angle, as so. And again, this isn't just exactly for the WeBoost antenna. You can put another antenna if you want to on here. And yeah, I got that on Amazon, and I will leave the link for that item on my description. All right, so you may wonder how I wire this WeBoost into the inside of my cab, so I will show you. So you do see the main wire running to the back of the cab, and then it's going under the bed. So I will get low. So I do have it zip tied underneath the cab, as so. And this little rubber piece right here is under the driver's seat. Okay, so then I did cut an X or a star right in the middle so that the wire can run through, and that having no water go in and out. And so far with the snow and rain and whatnot that we've had, no issues, no leaks and whatnot. So I'll show you on the inside. All right, we'll jump inside of the cab. Earlier I showed you that one rubber piece under the truck. It goes right through here in the carpet, and then yeah. So then I do have it pretty much hooked up under the driver's seat, and it's velcroed underneath. And then for power, it's pretty much just a normal 12 volt. But since I don't have any a 12 volt near me, because for the Tundras, it is right here. I didn't want a wire running up the center console. I just have a 12 volt adapter for the USB, and I just plug it in right in the middle. And then again, this is my my antenna for everything else. All right guys, so that is the overview of my WeBoost OTR outreach. If you guys have any questions or concerns about it, or want to learn more about it, just feel free to message me wherever you can find me. That is on Instagram, Facebook, here on YouTube. Again, that username is Yodaman97. One last thing before I go, if you guys are really interested in this bracket and the WeBoost itself, I do have a code that you can use for the WeBoost to save some money and whatnot. And then I do have the WeBoost bracket itself in my Amazon store. I will leave a link for you guys, just so that you guys don't have to dig around and whatnot, and it's all right there. And that's pretty much for the rest of my truck. Everything I have on here will be in my Amazon store. All right guys, see you later.